In a world that often glorifies busy schedules and high stress levels, prioritizing sexual health can take a back seat. However, a fulfilling and satisfying sex life is a crucial component of overall well-being. Men's libido, often used interchangeably with sexual desire, is a complex interplay of physiological, psychological, and lifestyle factors. While many factors influence libido, nutrition and diet are two significant aspects that can play a pivotal role in boosting sexual vitality and desire. This comprehensive guide will delve deeper into the intricate connection between nutrition, diet, and men's libido, offering insights into key nutrients and dietary strategies that can effectively fuel the fire of desire. The nutritional building blocks of libido enhancement. Zinc, the testosterone enhancer. Zinc is a crucial mineral for the production of testosterone, the primary male sex hormone. Adequate testosterone levels are essential for maintaining healthy libido and sexual function. Foods rich in zinc, such as oysters, lean meats, beef, poultry, nuts, almonds, cashews, and seeds, pumpkin, sesame, can help support optimal testosterone production. Vitamin D, sunshine and desire. Vitamin D is not only essential for bone health but also contributes to testosterone levels and overall sexual health. Exposure to natural sunlight and consumption of vitamin D-rich foods, including fatty fish, salmon, mackerel, egg yolks, and fortified dairy products, can positively impact libido. Omega-3 fatty acids, cardiovascular support for better blood flow. Omega-3 fatty acids are renowned for their heart-healthy benefits, but they also play a crucial role in enhancing sexual health. By promoting healthy blood circulation and reducing inflammation, these fats can indirectly contribute to improved sexual function. Fatty fish, salmon, trout, flax seeds, chia seeds, and walnuts are excellent sources of omega-3s. B vitamins, energizing the libido. B vitamins, particularly B6, B9, folate, and B12, are essential for energy metabolism, hormonal balance, and nervous system function. These vitamins can contribute to increased energy levels and overall sexual vitality. Incorporating foods like leafy greens, legumes, whole grains, poultry, and eggs can provide a boost of B vitamins. Antioxidants, protection against oxidative stress. Antioxidants play a vital role in protecting cells from oxidative stress and inflammation. In the context of sexual health, antioxidants like vitamin C and E help maintain healthy blood vessels and enhance circulation. Berries, blueberries, strawberries, citrus fruits, oranges, grapefruits, nuts, and seeds are rich sources of antioxidants. L-arginine, nitric oxide boost for enhanced blood flow. L-arginine is an amino acid that supports the production of nitric oxide, a compound that relaxes blood vessels and promotes increased blood flow. This effect can positively impact erectile function. Foods like red meat, poultry, dairy products, and nuts contain L-arginine. Strategies for integrating libido-boosting nutrients into your diet. Mediterranean diet, cultivating libido through balance. The Mediterranean diet is renowned for its heart-healthy benefits and is also linked to improved sexual function. Emphasizing whole foods such as fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean protein, fish, poultry, and healthy fats, olive oil, nuts, can contribute to overall well-being and enhanced libido. Plant-based eating, harnessing the power of plants. A plant-based diet rich in fruits, vegetables, legumes, nuts, and seeds provides a wealth of nutrients that support sexual health. The abundance of fiber, antioxidants, and phytochemicals in plant-based foods can positively influence hormonal balance and circulation. Balanced protein intake, building blocks for desire. Protein is essential for tissue repair and hormone production, both of which are critical for sexual health. Incorporating lean protein sources like poultry, fish, beans, lentils, and quinoa can help maintain muscle mass and support hormonal function. Hydration, quenching the thirst for desire. Staying adequately hydrated is often overlooked but is a fundamental aspect of overall health, including sexual function. Proper hydration supports blood circulation, helps maintain energy levels, and ensures the body functions optimally. Limiting processed foods and sugars, clearing the path for passion. A diet high in processed foods and added sugars can lead to weight gain, inflammation, and hormonal imbalances that can negatively impact libido. Opting for whole, nutrient-dense foods and minimizing sugary treats can contribute to improved sexual health. Lifestyle factors that ignite desire. Physical activity, movement for passion. Regular physical activity is a cornerstone of good health, and it also has a positive impact on libido. Exercise promotes cardiovascular health, boosts endorphins, and enhances overall well-being, all of which contribute to a healthy sex drive. Stress management, calming the mind, igniting desire. Chronic stress can wreak havoc on hormonal balance and suppress libido. Incorporating stress-reducing practices such as meditation, deep breathing exercises, and mindfulness can have a profound impact on sexual well-being. Adequate sleep, dreaming of desire. Quality sleep is crucial for hormone production, including testosterone. Prioritizing a consistent sleep schedule and creating a sleep-conducive environment can support sexual health and overall vitality. While the world of nutrition and diet is complex, the journey toward enhanced libido and sexual vitality can be approached with mindfulness and informed choices. By understanding the role of specific nutrients and dietary patterns in promoting hormonal balance, circulation, and overall well-being, men can take proactive steps toward fueling the fire of desire. However, it's important to note that individual responses to dietary changes vary, and consulting a healthcare professional before making significant adjustments is recommended. By adopting a holistic approach that encompasses nutrition, lifestyle, and emotional well-being, men can embark on a journey of improved sexual health and a more satisfying and fulfilling sex life. Remember, the pursuit of sexual well-being is a personal journey that deserves patience, care, and respect for one's own body and desires.